Welcome to Auto Insurance. Insurance is a form of protection against financial loss. It is a means of risk management, primarily used to hedge against uncertainty and contingents. Auto Expert, in collaboration with Leadway Assurance, hits the streets of Lagos to get business owners' take on insurance in Nigeria, as well as educate them on the subject matter. Last week, we spoke to a trader in the Ogba axis of Lagos, who disclosed to us that he has other insurance policies, but none particularly for his business. However, he believes insurance works in Nigeria. Today, we have another guest on the show, an entrepreneur in the Okpebi area of Lagos State. She is into micro investment services as well as show business. Let's get to meet her.
I'm Elizabeth Ngozi Higiamusoy, aka Ehiliz. I am a gospel musician, a gospel artist, whichever you choose to call it. And I'm also the managing director of Micro Investment Support Services Limited. I'm a TV presenter called Vivid View with Ehiliz. Well, my educational background, if you care to know, I have my first degree in accounting, BSc accounting, and second degree in finance. I'm married to Dr. Godwin Esewie Higiamusoy, and we're blessed with 5 good children and a grandson. So that's Ehiliz for you.
Wow, thank you very much, man. Very lovely, accomplishments you've got in there. I mean, you've got your grandson, you've got your husband. Lovely qualifications, your BA, first and second degree is really nice. Right. Well, I mean, you're somebody that I actually look up to. I actually want to have all of that in future. Okay, so aside soliciting for funds from the insurance companies and the banks, what do you have any insurance policies with any of the insurance companies?
Yes, I do. As a person and also my company, Micro Investment.
Oh, beautiful.
I ensure that all my workers are insured.
Okay, beautiful.
Yes, because at least at the moment when they are at work, they are insured. I think from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m.
Wow,
but then
beautiful.
it happens outside, I don't know whether
it's out of your policy.
Then for me, I'm also insured. I insure my grandson.
Wow,
there are a lot of packages they have now that are making it so easy for people. You can do that within a month, by quarterly or by annual or even annually. So whichever you choose. I didn't have this idea before about insurance, what they do. I just felt maybe just pay their money and just eat your money at the expiration time. You don't get anything back, especially when you insure your car. Throughout 1 year, nothing happens to your car. The money will not be refunded. They ask you to pay another insurance. I think these people are just, using style to extort from people.
Extort people's money.
But gone are the days. My eyes are now wide open. Why everybody needs insurance?
Insurance, because it really works.
I define insurance in my own way to be a way of safeguarding your life, your property, and your valuables against any unforeseen contingency.
Yes.
That's my personal discussion about insurance. So that's it.
Everybody hurts. Everybody walks along the lonely road sometimes. Let me take your hand, 'cause to me your happiness is just as good as mine, and you will be
Leadway Assurance, ensuring happiness since 1970.
Do you think insurance works in Nigeria?
Yeah, to some reasonable extent. It works in Nigeria because they do indemnify. It could take a little while because they need to be sure because of the kind of brothers and sisters we have in Nigeria too,
Yes,
who something will not happen, they say happen. So that's why they take time to make sure that what you are claiming is right before they indemnify. Majority of our people don't know what insurance stands for. And I keep on asking them, what are you insurance company doing to create this awareness to people? There should be something like going to their vision houses and discuss and know that. So one of the occasions I had to bring in some of the insurance companies in my program Vivid View to talk about insurance so that people will also know that it's important we insure our lives. So I think they should do more than that.
Wow.
Yes, so that people will get to know that what they do.
Thank you very much, ma. And that's why Leadway Assurance is actually here. I mean, they're trying to, cover that gap that people, so that people will be more enlightened about insurance.
Leadway Assurance, ensuring happiness since 1970.
According to Ehiliz, it pays to be insured as there are a lot of benefits even if it might be on a long-term basis. She has her businesses, her family, staff, and properties insured. She admonished Nollywood, the Actors Guild of Nigeria, and other entertainment bodies to have a collaboration with insurance companies for the benefit of the masses, the actors, and others in the industry. Ehillis also stated that insurance companies still have a loophole to cover when it comes to insurance ethics. Well, that's why Leadway Assurance Company Limited is here, putting smiles on people's faces since 1970 and bridging that much anticipated gap. Thank you for watching Auto Insurance. Enjoy the rest of the program.
Everybody hurts. Everybody walks along the lonely road sometimes. Let me take your hand, 'cause to me your happiness is just as good as mine. And you will be
Leadway Assurance, ensuring happiness since 1970.
100.